Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the measure of trigonometric ratio sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. A boy standing at a point 0 find his kite flying at a point P with a distance OP equal to 25 meter. Right, now we will refer this diagram. So the boy is standing at point 0. If the kite is flying with a distance point P, which is at a distance of 25 meter. This is the kite, this is the boy. Boy is standing here, kite is flying here at point P. The distance is 25 meter. Right. It is at a height of 5 meters. So this height is 5 meter. That name is given as M. So O is boy is standing at P, kite is flying, the distance is 25 meter, the height is 5 meter. That is named as M. Right. When the thread is extended by 10 meter. So the kite is flying at 25 meter, he extended by another 10 meter from point P. It reaches the point Q, right? So from P, while the thread is extended for another 10 meter, it reaches the Q, right? What will be the height Qn of the kite from the ground? So while reaching Q, we need to find this height. That is named as N, right? So it is clearly given. So that by understanding the diagram, we can easily find the value. The boy is standing here at point 0. The kite is flying at point P with the distance is 25 meter. The height is given as 5 meter. That point is M. After that, he extended the thread by another 10 meter. So that from the point P, so that it reaches the another point Q. From Q, we need to find this height. But Q, the point is N. This Qn value is we need to find. That is the question. Find the height. After extending the thread by 10 meter, it reaches the value Q. So that height Qn it need to be calculated. That is treated as H. Right. So we have this triangle. This is considered as a two triangles. OPM is the one of the triangle. OQN is the another triangle. Right. So both are almost the angle, this angle is same for both the triangles. That is the important thing. This is a right angle. These two are right angle. In figure, OPM and OQ1 are similar triangles because this angle is same. In similar triangle, the sides are the same proportional. Right? The similar triangle means when the height also proportionate. Here the height is increased by extending 10 meter. The height is increases. So already this height is given. These two will be proportionate, right? So based on the property, we can write that Qn is the what we need, the height, divided by Pm, the height already available, right? That is equal to Q naught divided by P naught, right? So Qn divided by Pm is equal to Q naught divided by P naught. So both are proportionate. So that we framed this ratio because this value is known, Pm value is known, Q naught value is known, P naught value also known. Only this Q1 value is not known. So that we framed these four parameters. So the Qn is the question what we need to find, H. The Pm is already given as height is 5 meter. It is flying at 5 meter. Q naught is already 25 meter and thread is extended by 10 meter. So 25 plus 10. Then P naught is 25. Initially it is flying at 25 meter. So H divided by 5 equal to 25 plus 10 divided by 25. Now we can go by simplifying this, we can able to get the height. So H by 5 divided equal to 25 plus 10, 35 divided by 25. Bring this 5 in this side. So H equal to 5 into 35 divided by 25. So this 5 and 25 by cancelling we got 5. This 5 and 35, if you cancel that, we got 7. So that equal to 7 meter. The height is 7 meters. See this, initially it is 5 meter, while extending the thread by another 10 meter, it is flying at a distance of 7 meter. Right, the answer is 7 meter. So in this problem, the height as well as the kite flying distance is given, then the thread is extended another 10 meters, so that we got the new height. We use the property, the similar triangle having the same proportional, the sides are same proportional. By using that property, we framed the ratio. From the ratio, we got the value height equal to 7 meter. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.